we are. Chelsea Meadows. Supplies on the ground. T11. Back walls are completely demoed all the way down to studs, rebuilt. Just caulked and painted. Fascia metal goes up next. Then we hang joist number 2 here, where I keep my supplies while I'm working out here. This one will get rebuilt Tuesday after we take a much needed 2 days break. Job box, video camera sign. Third one, like I said, back wall was completely rebuilt, reframed, OSB, vapor, and T11 siding, caulked and painted. That white stuff up there is white fascia metal. It's simply a weather, it's really like a weather barrier. Keeps water from going back behind the wall. Here's my playhouse. Weekends I play in there. It's my car. I sometimes drive that to work. Here's my other car. I always drive that to work. And here's my newly acquired Home Depot rental trailer.